Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of home office setups specifically designed for those of you living in small apartments. Creating a stylish yet functional workspace in a compact space can feel challenging, but with a few clever tricks, you can turn even the smallest nook into a productive home office. So, if you're ready to elevate your small space, stick around. The first step to designing your small apartment home office is finding the ideal spot. Look around your space and identify corners, alcoves, or even wall areas that could serve as a workspace. Think beyond the obvious. Sometimes, a living room corner, a spot near a window, or even a hallway nook can be transformed into a productive and stylish office. The desk is the heart of any home office, but in small apartments, the right desk makes all the difference. Look for space-saving options like foldable desks, wall-mounted desks, or even slim console tables. Consider a desk with built-in storage to keep your essentials organized without taking up extra space. A compact desk keeps your workspace feeling open and uncluttered. Choosing a comfortable yet compact chair is essential. In a small apartment, avoid bulky office chairs and opt for minimalist designs or even an ergonomic dining chair. You'll want something comfortable enough for long work sessions, but easy to tuck away when you're not working. If you're tight on space, consider stackable or foldable options. In a small home office setup, storage is key, and sometimes there's just no room for extra cabinets. This is where vertical space becomes your best friend. Install floating shelves above your desk to hold books, supplies, or decor items. You could also add wall organizers or pegboards to keep everything within reach, making your setup stylish and practical. Good lighting can make or break a workspace, especially in a small area. Natural light is ideal, so set up near a window if possible. If natural light is limited, invest in a stylish desk lamp with adjustable brightness. Proper lighting not only helps reduce eye strain, but also enhances the overall ambience, keeping you motivated and focused. Just because your office is small doesn't mean it can't have personality. Add a few personal touches like plants, artwork, or motivational quotes. Plants are particularly great for small spaces. They add a pop of color and improve air quality. Keep it minimal, but meaningful to create a space that feels uniquely yours. A small space can quickly feel cluttered, so it's important to keep your home office organized. Invest in drawer organizers, cable management tools, and storage boxes to keep everything tidy. Develop a habit of tidying up your workspace at the end of each day. This helps maintain a calm and welcoming environment ready for you each morning. Working from home can blur the lines between work and relaxation, especially in a small apartment. Try to set boundaries within your space by physically separating your work area, even if it's just with a room divider or curtain. This mental separation can help you focus during work hours and relax once you're done. Setting up a stylish home office in a small apartment is completely doable with a bit of planning and creativity. From choosing the right desk to keeping clutter at bay, each decision helps create a workspace that's both functional and inspiring. We hope these tips inspire you to create a beautiful, productive office space in your small apartment. Don't forget to subscribe for more space-saving ideas and let us know in the comments how you're designing your own small home office.